The commerce students are here to represent you all regarding anti-corruption. I am Sonaji of 11C. So before we know about the anti-corruption, let's learn about the concept of corruption. Corruption, the most feared term, yet the term very well known to all of us. It is something that is not only a threat to well-being, but also a trouble to the mankind in entirety. Bureaucracy is one of the major pushing factor behind corruption. Money for the upliftment of the poor gets locked in the hands of the politicians for their personal use. At times, we bribe government officials to get our work done quickly, be it a land registration or birth certificate. But the issue is the government deny it indefinitely and people suffer as their work has not been done on time, thus making the public grease their palms and get the work done.
Hello all, I am Vyas of 11C.
I am going to run you through the types of corruption. The two main types of corruption in the public services are coercive corruption and collusive corruption. Coercive corruption. In this type of corruption, the bribe is taken from an individual or an organization in the lieu of getting the work done. Here, an innocent person becomes the bribe giver. Collusive corruption. In this type of corruption, both the bribe giver and bribe taker act in collusion to make some losses to the government or public and exchequer. This type of corruption is very dangerous to the society as it is difficult to locate. Forms of corruption may vary but can include bribery, extortion and nepotism. It also facilitates drug trafficking, human trafficking and money laundering, which is commonly known to us, though it is not restricted to these activities.
Up next, we have Suryadarshini from 12C and Harini from 12D to explain in brief about how corruption affects you.
What is corruption? To us, it is simple. Corruption is the abuse of entrusted power for private gain. Whether it is paying a bribe to access public services like healthcare and education or money laundering schemes involving billions of dirty money. What is important is how corruption affects you, and the cost of corruption can be enormous. Corruption can cost you your livelihood, your rights, your health, your freedom and sometimes even your life. It erodes democratic freedom, rule of law and trust in government. Corruption also reduces your chances for healthy environment and sustainable future. Together, it's our duty to stop corruption.
When money meant to tackle the climate crisis is stolen, that's your future being taken away from you. When money meant to improve your local schools, hospitals, roads is snatched away, opportunities for a better life are lost with it. When money meant to improve your government and the rule of law is stolen, so too is your chance for a mere just and secure future. Every year we lose billions to corruption, billions that were supposed to improve all of our lives, our communities and our opportunities. At times, the scale of the problem can seem overwhelming, but corruption is not inevitable. Together, we have the power to stop corruption.
In order to fight against this, we should know about anti-corruption. What is anti-corruption? I invite my friend Nivedita from 11D to give you an idea about it.
Hello everyone. We saw about what is corruption and how we can overcome corruption is through anti-corruption. Anti-corruption comprises of activities that helps to inhibit and oppose corruption. It is designed to eradicate and prevent dishonesty and fraudulent conduct, especially in the field of politics. The benefit of anti-corruption is that every people will get a chance and every talent will be shown to this world. It is our duty to encourage anti-corruption and discourage corruption. Here, Varalakshmi of 12th D is there to say about the ways to evict corruption as young people. Thank you.
Okay friends, now we might have got an idea about corruption and its type. Now let me tell you some 5 ways to evict corruption from our society as young people. Number 1, citizen report cards. Ask citizens to fill out a report card on the quality of services they receive, like public transport or education. An individual card might not seem meaningful in itself, but a collection of hundreds or thousands can really change the opinion, which can then be used for taking action. Number 2, tech solution. Get online and share. Social media is especially good at addressing corruption in real time, and anonymously in India, campaign is created iPaidAbribe.com, in which citizens reported their experience of corruption. Some reports have been picked up by the media and have led to arrests and convictions. Number 3, zero bribes. The zero currency note is a bold but simple idea that started in our India. Instead of paying bribes, people paid with a bill that resembles a real currency but was actually a fake paper money. It helps people say not to corrupt officials. Number 4, protest. The classic method for the citizens to voice their opposition to an issue is protest. Protest is powerful, but be warned, they take planning and you will need a solid team to make it happen. Last but not the least, petition. The pen, as they say, is mightier than the sword. A petition, which is a collection of signatures, can make real changes. To sum it up, corruption is a great evil of a society. This evil should be quickly eliminated from our society. So let's say no to corruption and enjoy a corruption-free life.
Now our seniors will open up our mind with an amazing skit about the common types of corruption that takes place in our day-to-day life. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Please sit. How can I help you?
My name is Gayatri Lakshmi and I came to know that there is a vacancy for maths teacher, so I came to apply for the job.
Show me your resume.
Here is my resume.
It's good, but it is difficult for you to get this job as you don't have any experience.
What? You need experience? Even though I don't have any experience, I'm having enough money. So say me how much you want.
I don't want your money. We want only experienced and talented people.
Don't be silly. Just say me how much money you want.
You know what you are doing? You're giving bribe and taking the job. It is not good.
Sorry, I realized my mistake. Hereafter, I won't be giving bribe to anyone.
Everyone are doing the same mistake. Giving bribe is one of the biggest crime.
Let's stop corruption.
நல்ல தண்ணி பைப் போட்டு தர விஷயமா உங்ககிட்ட ஏற்கனவே வந்திருந்தேன். நீங்கள் செஞ்சு தரேன்னு சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க.
அதுக்கெல்லாம் நிறைய செலவா
குடிக்கிறதுக்கு நல்ல தண்ணி இல்லாமல் குழந்தைங்களுக்கெல்லாம் உடம்பு சரியில்லாமல் போகுது ஐயா.
லஞ்சம் வாங்குறது தப்புன்னா லஞ்சம் கொடுக்கறதும் தப்பு தான். ஸோ ஸ்டாப் கரப்ஷன். தம்பி இங்கே வாங்க. இந்தா தம்பி.
Come guys, let's stop this corruption. It's simply a time waste which makes even our future waste. We hope that this skit will be an eye-opener to everyone. Thank you. Stop corruption.
Stop corruption.
Stop corruption.
Let's stop corruption.
Let's stop corruption.
Stop corruption.
Stop corruption.
Stop corruption.
Stop corruption.
Stop corruption.